And so what is the array first? Any idea? What is the array in Java?
Array, yeah, actually, I know arrays start with the zero index, and
Okay.
basically arrays are used for example, how to tell, for example, there are five numbers or five cars, whatever it is. So we can store in five of them, and whatever we want to call, for example, in the second index there is Maruti. We can call it and use that, get that index and use that index. Basically, if we want to store multiple things, then we
No.
can use array. No, okay.
Yeah. So array is nothing but a, so we want to store, okay, we want to store, okay,
Hmm.
store the data, store, okay, store, store the data, store the multiple data, okay, multiple, multiple, VL, multiple data with a similar data type. This is the
Okay.
important thing. So this is the important thing. So we call as a homogeneous, a more technical word, homogeneous. I'll show you that. Okay. So we want to
Okay.
store a multiple data. Till now, in DA, we can store only integer data 10. We cannot store another 20. We cannot store 30. We cannot store 40. So the variable will allow only one data, one variable, one value only.
Got it.
But one variable, multiple value means we need to go for arrays in Java. Okay.
Mm. Yes.
So if I type here arrays in Java, you go anywhere, any of the site also no problem. And you can see that the people will explain the array. See that. Array is a collection of similar, the word is very important. Similar type of element that have continuous memory location. Okay.
Oh.
And in uh, array in Java index based, the first element array stored must be index is 0. So first index 0 and the element like length is n minus 1 or the index will ends from, suppose here see that my array length is 10, the index will
Mhm.
start from 0 until end to
Mm. Yes.
9. That means
Mm.
0 to the index will be 0 to n minus 1 or size
Mm.
minus 1. So array size is 10 and what is the last index? Size minus 1, which is
Yeah.
9. So if I say least index is 0 and highest index is 9 for array
Mm.
of size is 10.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Same thing. He copied from here. Actually, this is the main thing. Okay. Yeah. And each item
Mhm.
in array is called as a element. Each item. Each item is the zeroth location box is called as a element. Each
Mhm.
element can access by a numerical index. Suppose here you can see this is the location like registry, like local memory register. This is a box contain the index is 0. The actual
Mhm.
value will be stored in this box. You want
Mhm.
to get this value on the array,
Okay.
so you need to pass the index. Suppose if I create a MS Paint, in that I will show you that. MS Paint. Okay, and
Mhm.
my array name is, for example, A, small a. Okay, and index is 0, index is 1,
1,
index
2,
is 2, index is
3.
3, value is value is 1
Mhm.
on 10,
Any value we can put, yeah, yeah.
any value.
Mhm. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so now if I want to add, suppose if I
Mhm.
want to add values, suppose this is array, when you created a size given by 4, array of size,
Mhm.
suppose array of size, how to declare array? Okay, so the
Mhm.
initializing array, okay,
Mhm.
I will show you that. Where is the array initialization? Yes, this is the array initialization, data type, and there is a
Mhm.
square bracket and reference variable. This is simple declaration, and this is the second way, like initialization also. This is the, okay, yeah, I
Mhm.
will. So the syntax is data type. So now here I want to store a integer type. So int type my data, square bracket which tell you it is the array, and reference
Mhm.
variable is a, and
Mhm.
new is a keyword to initialize the object of memory allocation, and again data type, and the square bracket it is a size, mention the size.
Mhm.
Okay, so what is the size here? Size is 4.
Size is 3 minus 1, 2, 2. Oh, sorry, sorry. 3 plus 1, 4. Yeah.
4. Okay, so
Mhm.
now I want to add the values. So now see that if I want to add the value a of 0 equal to 1, okay,
Mhm.
so which
Mhm.
means a a is a a is a reference of the memory allocation, and a is a of 0 is a of 0 index
Yeah.
of value assigned to 1,
Mm.
which means now the value is becomes 1 here.
Okay.
Again, if you want to make a of 1 equal to 10, the value becomes now 10. Like that
Mhm.
till a of 3 will be added. Okay, so this is the
Mhm.
initialization. So
So A,
let's,
okay, 0 index has 1 value, 1 index has 10 value in the A. Okay, got it.
if you add like a of 2 equal to 20, so then
Got it.
becomes here will be 20. So if it is like a of 3 becomes 30,
Mhm.
30. So now 30. So this is adding the values.
Mhm.
Similarly, if you want to get the index, you want to get the 20 value, 20th value. So you need to fire a of 2.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Now I will declare a int data type. What is the data type? Integer, square bracket, and reference variable a, and new is a keyword, again data type int, and size is sorry, okay, a of 0 equal to 10. Again I'll create a one simple method,
Mhm.
or I will create here. Sorry.
Mhm.
So now 1, 2, 3,
Mhm.
4, 4
Mhm.
and 4,
Mhm.
3, 2,
Mhm.
10. Okay.
Mhm.
Is this correct?
Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is, yeah, no, 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 no. Wait, A4 should not be there.
Ah. So if you keep this one, it will throw the exception, that is array out of bond exception. What is this? Not running? Hmm. Yeah, error got printed. So exception in thread main java.long.array index out of bond exception of 4. Okay. So
Mhm.
this is a out of bond index. Because you declared this array size is 4, array index size is 4, and you are
Mhm.
accessing array index is, so what is the index value? Index will start from 0 and size n minus 1 means index will be 3 only, the higher index.
Yeah.
N minus 1 index wise, please remember, most of the people will mistake. People will declare 4, they will treat it as a, it should accept 4. The rule is, it is a size. Here is a size. I will write a one more line of statement, you can understand. Here is a size, okay, and index will start from 0 to size minus 1. Suppose index is 0 to size minus 1, size is 4 minus 1 become
Mhm.
3. So like that, 0 to 3 only. 0 to 3 it's very low. Okay.
Yes.
And system.out.println. Okay. System.out.println. If you want
Mhm.
to access any specific value, so I want to get array 20. I want to print 20 or I want to access 20. So
Mhm.
this is the reference variable. Okay. A of,
Mhm.
need to provide the index. What is the index
Mhm.
of 20? Index of 20
So,
is 2. Is 2. Then that value will be printed.
yeah, correct.
Okay. This is a single value access. But I want to be print all the array values. I want to print array values. So for that we'll go for loop.
Oh my God. I'm very scared of this one.
Huh. It's a very good thing. So here the thing is, understand how I'm explaining. For, okay, there are semicolon and semicolon. Two semicolons. First
Mhm.
is initialization. Initialization.
Mhm.
Okay. And condition
Mhm.
and increment.
Mhm.
Increment or decrement.
Mhm.
Okay. So these
Mhm.
are the three things you need to understand. So
Okay.
what is a initialization? What is a condition? What is a increment decrement? Then
Mhm.
for loop is over. Okay.
Okay.
Again for loop. Initialization. I am declaring a local variable
Mm-hmm.
int
I.
I equal to 0. Why I
Okay.
should go for I equal to 0? Because if I am iterating array, array index start from 0. That's the reason I was initialize my I equal to 0.
Okay. Array index starts with zero. Any other thing we should not put zero.
It depends. Some of the loop will start from 1. It depends upon your
Okay.
requirement. You are talking, you are working with the arrays. You should start your index 0.
Okay.
That is the thing. First thing. Okay.
Yes.
Initialization. Second thing. Up to up to which condition you need to stop. Condition. So earlier you know that there will be if condition. You are very good familiar. Correct.
Yes.
A greater than
Yeah.
0 something. So as you know that what is the result of this? Suppose
If
if
a is equal to greater, if a is greater than zero, then do
yeah.
this, else do
Huh.
this.
So no. What is the result of this thing? Suppose tell me
Error
that.
throw.
No. Just a second. Uh, one
Oh no, not error. Yeah, sorry.
one greater than zero. What is the result? Is it true
One
or
greater.
false?
True.
Huh. This condition will give the result. This is the condition. If I
Okay.
say if it is a if condition, if it is a true, evaluation becomes true, then if condition will execute. So same
Okay.
thing, this is the condition. If the
Yes.
condition is true, then enter into the if loop. Okay.
Okay.
So here I greater than size minus 1. Which size? Sorry, not
Size
size.
is
A dot array reference dot length dot n minus 1. Why n minus 1? My rule is there. Okay, I'm talking with the array. My array index will be end with size minus 1. That is length minus 1. What is the length?
okay.
4. It is here index is 3. So that is the reason greater than length minus 1 or equal to.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
increment or decrement. I want to iterate I plus plus. Clear about these three statements. If not, let me know. This is a
Yeah.
very important.
Yeah. Clear. Clear.
Clear? And
Mm-hmm.
system.out.println. See that system.out.println. Array reference variable and array reference variable, and it is not a 2, it is I. It is not a 2, it is I. So
Mm-hmm.
now I'm working with this one. I'm executing manually
Mm-hmm.
and will run later. Okay. So what
Mm-hmm.
is the I value? The step
I
number
value.
1.
Yeah, initially it will be 10, then like till 30 it will work. And because it is saying that it should execute only till I is less than the length. So it
Hmm?
will stop after 30.
Correct.
Like
No problem. What is the I? What is the I value now?
right now, okay, right now, one second. Right now it's 0.
0. 0 greater than. What is the
Uh,
length? A dot length.
Length is 4,
4. 4 minus
3.
4 minus 3
Hmm.
is it is equal to
0
uh,
small, yeah, it's
what is the condition evaluation?
2.
True. Then enter the loop. Got my point?
Hmm. Yes.
Enter the loop. So
Yes.
execute the enter the loop means the cursor. So this
Yeah.
particular statement is true. See that
Yes.
it should execute first this one initialize
Mm-hmm.
I. I greater than of this evaluation is done, whether it
Mm-hmm.
is true, then the
Mm-hmm.
execution will start from the first statement of for loop.
Mm. Get it. Yes.
Now here what is the I value now?
Okay. So after that, right now it's 0.
Huh. Right now it is 0. What is the
Hmm.
I of 0?
0 is 10.
10 will printed.
Hmm.
Okay. Now
Hmm.
it will now see after execution of all the statements of if condition. Suppose there is a one more statement, it will also
Hmm.
execute till all the statements are done. Right now we have only
Hmm.
one, but in case if we
Hmm.
have any statement, it will
Hmm.
execute, and after
Hmm.
execution, this
Hmm.
particular third parameter I plus
Hmm.
plus will done. So it is I
Hmm.
plus plus. Then what is the I value?
I value will be 0.
No, 1.
1.
Earlier it
Why
is
1?
0.
Hmm.
Earlier it is 0. I plus plus mean it will increment the I value 1.
So 1 second, pause. After going to println, it will go to I plus plus.
After printing the 10 value, it will
Hmm.
go to here.
Okay,
Then
okay,
it
okay.
becomes I plus plus. Then I value
Why
becomes
why it goes to I plus plus first?
the design like that only. After printing this statement of all the
Hmm.
for loop, then it will
Hmm.
increment.
Okay, okay.
Then it will come to here. Again it evaluates that greater
Hmm.
than or equal to
3, yeah,
3.
yeah, yeah, now got it. Yeah.
Then again it is true.
Mm-hmm.
Then again enter into the loop and I of
Hmm.
1. I of
Got it, got
1 is
it. I of 1 is 10, yeah. I
20.
of 1 is
I
10.
of 1 is
10,
10, 10, 10. Sorry.
yeah.
I of 1 is 10. Again,
Hmm.
I plus plus. What is the I value? Now,
Now
2.
2,
2 greater than or equal to
yes,
3.
true.
It is true.
Yeah.
Then
20,
20.
yeah.
Again 3. I value incremented. 3 greater than or equal to 3.
3, true, true.
True.
Correct.
Till now we reach to na last one 3.
Yeah,
3.
30.
So it becomes 30. Now
Correct.
again I plus plus.
Mm-hmm.
I becomes 4 greater than or equal to 3. It is
Hmm. False.
false. Then it will not allow to the inside into the for loop. It will jump
Okay.
on to the 32 line number.
Okay.
This
Got
is the
it.
statement.
Yes, got it.
Clear?
Yes. Actually, initially you were saying that maybe I don't remember correctly that there is some easy for loop and like there are two types of for loop.
Yeah. You clear about this one? I will tell you that also.
Yeah. Oh, okay, okay. I was asking. I didn't know that's
Yeah,
why.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
will tell you that. There is a one more for loop is there for each loop.
Yeah, it's clear.
Hmm. You are clear with this one?
Yes,
This is a
yes,
basic
yes.
one, and
Hmm.
when you need to use is you need a index talking. You need to get based on the index. You need to retrieve any value based on the index. That time you
Hmm.
should use.
Okay, got it.
Okay, and just I will comment this one for your future reference. And next is there is a one more for each loop.
Okay.
For each loop, okay, and for for this also only one semicolon. Only
One semicolon.
one semicolon. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and it will work for index. I don't know. Let's see that. So A is a reference variable. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
this is a A. A is a
Mm-hmm.
array reference. This one,
Okay.
and
Okay.
This is a local variable here. What need to be defined, like data type. We should declare data type here, int
Mm-hmm.
and I.
Okay.
Not semicolon, it is a colon.
Oh, I don't know. Okay. Oh, yeah, yeah. It's very difficult. It looks very difficult to me.
And it is not difficult, I'll tell you that. I'll close
Mm-hmm.
it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Semicolon. What is the
Mm-hmm.
array reference? A is the array
Mm-hmm.
reference. Right hand side, make it array
Mm-hmm.
reference. Left hand side, what is the data type of array? Int.
Int.
Make the data type int. And
Mm.
create a local variable. Not only I, you can give any name, k also.
Okay. Local one. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then
Mm-hmm.
system dot out dot println. System dot
Mm-hmm.
out dot println. System dot
Mm-hmm.
out dot println. K.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Okay.
What is the difference between these two, for and for each?
Both are same. I told you that. Difference is when you want to access based on the index in evaluation, use this
Mm-hmm.
one. Either you go for this. Both are same. Both are print same thing only. See that.
Can you give one example more of this for each loop?
Mostly for each loop we'll use for list, like
Okay.
list, array list, linked list,
Mm. Okay. Okay.
sorting, sorted arrays. We'll use this also, no problem.
Mhm. Which is more good to use if they both are same?
No, 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 no. Not based on your, so see that. So
Hmm.
here I'm not talking about index.
Hmm.
Here I'm
Hmm.
more talking about the index.
Yes.
Because here without index also I'm getting, my value is getting printed.
Hmm.
See,
Hmm. Hmm.
I'll write one more statement here and you come to know here. System dot out dot println.
Hmm.
See, if I execute this same state, same two for loops, see that. What is 3? Okay, this is the one. I'll comment it. See that. Both the for loops has given same result. 10, 10, 20, 30. 10, 10, 20, 30. Nothing is different. Both the for loops are working in a similar way, same thing. But the difference is, as I told you, like you want to get any based on the index value. Here there is no index. One element will be picked up. But internally, this logic is performed. But we don't know that index. One value, sequence of value will be picked up here. But here based on the index, 0 index, then 1 index, 2 index, index. So you have any condition verify the index of second value, index of third value should be something, is equal to something. That time only you can use I. Or you want to check directly this value is contained, you can go for this. Or any restriction like second value, the array index of second value must be 20, then you go for the above one. Or in the second last, this for each loop, in this array contain 20, you can go for this. Got my
Hmm.
point?
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
means it can be in the second or third or, but array contain the 20 or not, that's it. But the above one is second index value should be 20, then you go for
Hmm.
that one.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So I'll stop here. So just work around like for loop and for each loop. So
Yeah. Yeah.
it's a
Yeah.
very similar. It's a very good thing.
Yeah.
I'll show you
I
that.
have to see once for
Uh,
each. Yeah.
for each I will show you that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
We'll talk
Because
in
I'm
for
always
each.
scared of this for each. I don't know somehow.
No, no, no. I
I'm
will tell you. No
scared.
problem. No problem. No problem. It's a very simple way. Okay.
Hmm.
See that. Uh,
Hmm.
see, only they remember the syntax. That's it. Blindly.
Okay.
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 So blindly remember the syntax.
Hmm.
Then don't care. After that,
Hmm.
don't bother about the loop internal how it is performing.
Oh
First
yeah.
thing is
Hmm.
for each loop. I'm talking about on for each loop.
Hmm.
Only the for each loop is only
Hmm.
semicolon.
Hmm.
Colon or semicolon?
Hmm.
Colon this one. Sorry.
Hmm.
Colon. Only
Hmm.
one the colon, and right hand side you declare the variable
Hmm.
of variable for array
Hmm.
collection.
Hmm.
So array is a collection is
Hmm.
suppose array list.
Hmm.
And what is the data type? What is the array data? It is an integer. It is a character. Suppose.
Hmm.
Here I will show you one more example. Then you will understand. So I will declare a character array. Okay. It is a ch. Character array. I am creating a character array, and this is a one more way of declaring. It is not. I am not mentioning size. I am if I am declaring initializing a values, then
Hmm.
yeah, it is a fixed. So we cannot change again. So that means these are the this array ch this character array contain ch a character, b character, c character. Okay.
Hmm.
So what is the my array size? Sorry, what is the my array name?
CH.
Hmm. So right hand side
Hmm.
array name is
CH.
ch,
Yeah. Yeah.
and what is the type array
Char.
type?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Char,
Char. Yeah. Got
and
it.
keep it char.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
it. This is your wish. You can keep it anything.
So, except printing, what else we can do here?
Huh?
Except printing, what we can do with the for each?
I didn't get you that point.
Except of printing, what else we can do?
Except a printing means
I mean, other than printing, right now we are printing the values. What else we can do
you
using
can
for
evaluate
loop?
also. You can evaluate for a if condition, whatever thing you can do it based on your conditions. So you want to
Okay.
check this array contain A. So A dot uh, A or is equal to A, something like that. You can do any if conditions.
Okay.
If
Okay.
condition, any evaluations. But this is the way of like remember this one. So this is the right hand side array or a list. It is a list and declaring a this is the important thing. Most of the people will know what you need to be keep. So if it is a end, keep the end.
Got
Okay,
it.
and mostly now you can tell me that I have that list. Sorry,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This type of a lot comes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is most
list
used.
and web element and small list new list and web element.
What does it mean exactly? We are creating a list of elements.
List of web elements. So for you want to iterate the web element and you
Okay.
want to get.
So,
So what is the
mm,
reference variable?
a
List.
list. We will
Okay.
put it here.
And
List
what is the
and
type?
list of
Web,
element.
uh,
Whole
web element. K is
only.
that's
Okay.
K here. The K is anything. This is
Okay.
your local variable as
Not
your wish.
list element. Only list. Only web element. Not like list. Oh, okay. Okay. Got it.
See type for here is type. Here is a
Okay.
type. This
Yeah,
is
yeah.
the
Got
array
it.
type. Okay,
Got it.
got it. So
Yes.
suppose if it is here is a string.
Hmm.
If here is a
Okay.
string,
Okay, got it.
Then
Okay.
we'll make it here is a
So what is difference between a list and array?
hmm?
What is the difference?
Array is a fixed homogeneous. That means you can store only similar data type. Similar
Okay.
data type. That means if you declared here int,
Mm-hmm.
you can
Yeah, yeah.
store only integer value. You cannot store a of
Mm-hmm.
t
Mm-hmm.
is a character or a string.
Mm-hmm. And list we can store any kind of
Uh,
data type. That
and
is the only difference.
and one more thing is array
Mm-hmm.
is a fixed size. If you declare a 4, you can
Mm-hmm.
only declare 4
Mm-hmm.
elements. You can store 4 elements. It will
Mm-hmm.
not increase after your requirement change. But
Mm-hmm.
collections of any other collection are dynamically growable.
Okay.
Only the
Okay.
two differences.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay?
Got it.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll
So I
stop.
will go through it. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much.